OpenClaw v2026.5.22 dropped yesterday, and the headline number is a 4100x speedup. Model listing went from around 20 seconds down to about 5 milliseconds. Provider authentication state used to refresh on every call, slowing down every agent that booted and every plugin that resolved its model preference. Now it pre-warms once at gateway boot, and the listing returns instantly. Plus, the new Meeting Notes plugin with Discord voice transcription, a generic channel message poll sender in the plugin SDK, session write lock max hold policy enforcement, a codex compaction timeout fix, and a meaningfully smaller NPM package. Let's walk through what's in this release and what it changes for anyone running OpenClaw on a fleet. Pull up the v2026.5.22 release tag on github.com/openclaw/openclaw. Released May 24. The changelog is dense. Performance section leads. Gateway startup reuses cached plugin metadata snapshots. Components lazy load. Model listing pre-warms auth state. New features. Meeting Notes plugin with Discord voice. Generic channel message poll sender in the plugin SDK. Session workflow helpers. Embedding providers as a reusable capability contract. Major fixes. Session write lock max hold enforcement. Sub-agent bootstrap context narrowed to agents.md and tools.md by default. Child ACP session cleanup. Codex app server compaction timeout recovery. NPM package size shrink because docs and bundled assets are no longer published with the runtime. The 4100x model listing speedup is not a micro-benchmark stunt. It matters because every agent that boots in OpenClaw calls models list during initialization to see what providers are available. Multiply 20 seconds across every sub-agent, every restart, every plugin that resolves its model preference, and you are spending real wall clock time on what should be a constant time lookup. Pre-warming the provider auth state at gateway boot turns model list into a memory lookup instead of an authenticated round trip. Same numbers from the release notes, 20 seconds to 5 milliseconds. The kind of fix that quietly removes friction from every workflow. The gateway gets 2 more performance wins. First, plugin metadata snapshots are now cached and reused across boots. The old behavior was to walk every plugin manifest, parse the schema, validate permissions, and register hooks on every gateway start. With 14 plugins loaded that added up, the new behavior caches the resolved snapshot and only rewalks when a plugin file changes. Second, components lazy load. Anything not actually needed in the request path is deferred until first use. The net effect is a gateway that boots in milliseconds instead of seconds, which matters when you are restarting it during development or after a plugin crash. The Meeting Notes plugin is the most visible new feature. Drop it into a workspace, point it at a Discord voice channel, and the bot transcribes the conversation back into the session memory as structured notes. The plugin also ships a generic source provider contract, so the same plugin will accept other voice sources later. Slack huddles, Zoom calls, Google Meet, your own webhook stream. The contract is what matters more than Discord support specifically. It is the same shape the plugin SDK uses for channel polling, so plugins that already consume channel messages can extend the same code path to handle audio sources with a parser plugin. That keeps the surface area small and the abstraction reusable. The plugin SDK ships with 3 new building blocks. Create channel poller, a generic declarative way to pull any channel-based message source with an interval and a callback. It is what the Meeting Notes plugin uses internally, and you can use the same primitive for Slack channels, GitHub issue comments, linear ticket updates, anything that has a pull and dispatch shape. Session workflow helpers, a clean way to manage session lifecycle that deprecates the old load session store call, and embedding providers, exposed as a reusable capability contract so plugins that need vector search can declare the dependency instead of bringing their own embedder. Cleaner SDK, fewer one-off integrations. 3 reliability fixes worth calling out. Session write lock max hold policy is now enforced. Sessions that hold the write lock past a threshold get force released. Before this fix, a wedged write would slowly accumulate stale locks until the gateway needed a restart. Now the policy clears them automatically and logs the eviction so you can see what got reaped. Child ACP session cleanup is fixed. Orphaned sub-agent processes used to leak memory on long-running gateways. The new cleanup path tears them down properly when the parent session ends. And the codex app server compaction timeout. When context compaction hangs because the app server is wedged, the server now restarts the compaction worker and retries instead of leaving the agent frozen, waiting on a response that will never come. All three are the kind of fix that previously meant a manual restart at the worst possible moment. Under the hood, the Bundled Agent Communication Protocol, ACP, bumps to 0.36.1 with a completion patch. Protobufjs jumps to 8.4.0. The release ships 3 macOS assets, the .app zip, the signed.dmg installer, and the DSYM debug symbols for crash report symbolication, alongside the OpenClaw npm package. The DSYM ship is the kind of thing you only notice when you actually need it, but it makes investigating a crash report meaningfully easier. Integrity hash for the npm package is in the release body in case you are pinning by SHA-512 in your lock file. Upgrade is one command. npm install -g OpenClaw at 2026.5.22 picks up the new gateway, the new SDK, and the bundled plugins. If you have plugins of your own that imported Load Session Store, that API is now deprecated. The new session workflow helpers replace it, and the migration is documented in the release notes. If you depend on the Bootstrap context, including more than agents.md and tools.md for subagents, you can opt back in with a config flag, but the new default is what the team recommends. macOS users grabbing the .app, same release tag, signed and notarized. Model listing went from around 20 seconds to around 5 milliseconds, a 4100x win by pre-warming provider auth state instead of refreshing per call. Release notes. That line captures the character of this release. No headline new feature competing for attention, just a series of compounding wins. Faster boot, faster model lookup, fixed locks, cleaner cleanup, smaller package. The Meeting Notes plugin is the most visible thing in the changelog, but the performance work is what people who run OpenClaw on a fleet will feel every day. Quietly removing friction is how mature platforms get better. v2026.5.22 is on NPM and on GitHub releases right now. npm install -g OpenClaw at 2026.5.22, restart your gateway, and you have the speedups plus the new Meeting Notes plugin. macOS users, grab the signed.dmg from the release page, same version number. The full changelog and the signed macOS assets are on the release tag, linked below. If you ship plugins, the SDK migration from Load Session Store to the new session workflow helpers is documented in the release notes. It is a straightforward one import change for most plugins. Subscribe at Prism Labs for weekly OpenClaw ecosystem coverage. And for deeper Claw-only content, head over to the Claw Insiders channel.